Hey guys, today we'll be delving into a revision of Booleans right now. So, first of all, we'll be going through the types of variables and how to check if they are Booleans. Then we'll be going through how to convert a string into a Boolean. And then we'll check what kind of statements are falsy, means they will give you a false answer, and what types of statements are truthy, which will give you a true answer. Okay, let's get started. So, as the first activity, we have just declared a variable that goes true. All right, and what we have to do here is to check whether we get the answer as a true class of the variable or true type. Let's check it right now. There you go. So the first one is a boolean. Keep your eyes here so that we can keep on checking it simultaneously. Okay, so now we move on to changing a string that is false. It needs to be either true or false to convert it into a string. Convert it into a boolean. That should be kept in mind. So I have used the string bool, and then as the name of the variable, then I have using boolean, just boolean, as the name of another variable, while I have converted string bool into a boolean function, and will print it here. Okay, let's get it right. Again, we get the boolean variable. Since this is boolean, the boolean function will be boolean. Now if I check the string bool, and we can see that the class comes as a string, which you can see here. All right, the next one is truthy and falsy statements. So truthy statements and falsy statements just tell you which statements which are directly not true or false, which statement will give you an answer of false and which will give you true. So first up, I have the statements that will give you the answer as false. There are various types, and I'll be linking a article regarding this, which tells you all the statements that go as false and all the statements that go as truthy. So you can check that out also. For now, I have just taken two, which goes as zero point 0.0, which is in float form. Even zero here will work, which I will show just in a bit, and an empty string, an empty array. Okay, let's get that out of the way. All right, you can see that both of these are false, false and false. Okay, so we have verified that, and at last we have a truth statement that goes boolean as 5. 5 is just an example. We can take any number except for 0 as an integer form or as a float, but any number except a 0 will be a true statement. We can check that out. There you go. That's true. So here were a few revision activities, and you can go more now.
So let's begin with exercises on booleans. Exercise 1. The variable room is equal to input. Enter the name of a room in the house. We will take the three conditions. If room is kitchen, print the room is a kitchen. If room is a bedroom, print the room is a bedroom. Else print the room is. Let's try running this. We will enter the room is a kitchen first. And the output is the room is a kitchen. So let's try with something else now. We'll try with bathroom. And it shows the room is a bathroom. So it is working perfectly. Exercise 2. Print which sign is used to intend. We all know that colon is used to intend. Answer is input. Write the answer. If answer is colon or the colon symbol, print correct. Else print wrong. So let's run this. We will write the colon symbol first and it shows it's correct. And now we'll make the bracket symbol It shows it is wrong, so it is correct. Exercise 3. Variable number is equal to input. Enter a number. If number is 5 or 7, print you are lucky, else print try again. So let's try this. We will write the number 7 first. It shows you are lucky. Now try entering some other number like 9. It will show try again.